Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. I apologise that I haven't been about doing many videos, but I have had the boys home and it's been kind of, I wouldn't say stressful as such, but it's been kind of hard work to do schoolwork as well as trying to do my own stuff as well as trying to run the house. So videos unfortunately had to go onto the back burner. The boys are, however, watching a video, so I thought I'd take the opportunity just to do a quick video on the Roccabox limited edition. This box is subject around to the four elements, obviously fire, earth, air, water. My box is the air. You can have a choice of different palettes. And I'm tempted to buy another one that I quite like the look of the palettes, but I don't know. Now I know and I appreciate that with things going on, delivery may take a little while. However, my box only took 7 days to get to me. So it was really good. So before I just get into the box, I just wanted to obviously address what is going on in the world and Britain. I wanted to say huge thanks to the staff that are still working in shops. The National Health Service are amazing. We've had online support from the schools. I love Britain. When it comes to things like this, I do feel like Britain can work together and pull our resources and kind of make sure that everybody is okay. It's sad to know that so many people have tragically lost their lives through this awful time. It's just so sad. There's no, who could foresee how kind of dangerous this virus was going to be. I do have a few friends that are still having to go out to work. They're key workers, and my thoughts and prayers are always with them and their families. I just want to make sure that everybody is keeping safe. Stay home if you can. You've heard this 1,000 times, I'm sure. I'm not preaching. It's just common sense stuff, really. It's just stay home. I mean, I am going absolutely crazy. I'm used to getting out and about, and I'm going stir crazy. I feel like my mental health is like really suffering as well. I'll still just keep taking the tablets and hoping for the best. Anyway, let's get into this box. So as I said, they are the 4 elements of earth, fire, air and water. The box each will cost £25 plus £3.95 delivery. Like I said, did order this about a week ago and I got this delivered today, which is the 28th. So you'll probably see this video maybe tomorrow if I get time to edit it. And I've also discussed that you can get different palettes inside. So inside the box, beauty box, that's more than just skin deep. We have a white box as well, which is a little bit different. Still all these pink squigglies. Okie dokie. So let's have a look at what we got. And I like the fact that we do get a leaflet. So as I said, I got the air box because I quite liked that palette that was on offer. Air signs are the winds of change, injecting the breath of fresh air into all around them, moving through life as gravity defines speeds the free-spirited air signs' lives for adventure, spontaneity, inquisitive and emotional and philosophical. Air signs are often drawn to new ideas and exciting innovation. This zodiac edit is built around bold, fresh colour schemes, well-being, enhancing minerals and illuminating extracts to feed the air signs' audacious and creative nature. Okie pokey. So let's have a look. So we've got the famous mask, first item. So this is by Vitamask. It's called a Gemstone sheet mask in citron, designed to provide celerity through skincare. The citron Gemstone sheet mask contains natural extract of yuzu to uplift the mind and benefit the nervous system. I think I might try this tonight and see if it helps. It's nourishing, anti-inflammatory, collagen stimulating properties. This is a full-size product and this is £5.99, and you can get this at www.vitamask.com. So I'll give that a go. First item. Then I see we have this. So this is again by Vitamask. This is a Hydro Glow Cream in Rose Gold. It is a rich 2-in-1 daily moisturizer and primer. Hydro Glow Cream comes with illuminating gold extracts. This precious metal is known to stimulate skin cells and activate basal cells, increasing elasticity in the skin. The cream is enriched with hyaluronic acid, pearl powder, vitamin C to moisturize, hydrate, illuminate. Apply evenly to face and neck, and décollage either alone or underneath makeup. Wow, this has a retail price of £25.99, and you can get this again from www.vitamask.com. So I know that other boxes come with different colour shades. As I've stated, this is a rose gold one, and I know that you can just get the gold one as well. I think this drew me as well to this box because I quite like the idea of something in rose gold, because I have loads of like the gold and the champagne. So it basically just comes out like that, and then rubbed in. It rubs in beautifully. It smells amazing. Can't see that there is much, maybe a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to pick that up. It's quite subtle, which is something that I do like, but it does rub in really nice and softly, and it does smell really nice too. Okay, give that a go. 25 quid, so that's paid for the box. Okay, next I see is this. This is In Your Dreams. It's a glitter highlighter. It's a cream in Deja Vu. Create an ethereal glow with this dreamy coral highlighter. The cream formula comes with a subtle hint of glitter to illuminate your face and body with an out-of-this-world shine. Layer it underneath loose glitter or apply alone to the cheeks, lips and eyes for a luminous, buildable pink shimmer. Apply using a finger or brush to high points across the body to create a heavenly full body highlight. This has a recommended of £12, and you can get this at www.inyourdreams-dreams.com. So that's that. Beautiful box, beautiful packaging. So cute. Look at that, guys. How pretty is that? Very cute. And inside, that's the colour. And okay, I can see that. That is quite pretty actually. I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to see that. It's this finger here. Can you see the shimmer on that? It is actually quite pretty. It's again, this I would feel is very, very subtle. It's a lovely creamy consistency. I can see shimmer in there, so for ladies that are not that keen on shimmer, you may not like this product. I personally do not like shimmer, but I like this. The grains are so very tiny, and I'm so sorry that you probably can't pick it up on the camera because I can barely see it with a naked eye. But it is so pretty. I don't know whether you can be able to see how gorgeous that is, and that is something that I would definitely reach for. Okay, so that's that, and did I say it's £12? Next we have a Horlicks. Love my Horlicks. So we've got a freebie there of a drink. Then we have a, how do you pronounce that? Melicin? This is a Magic Jade roller. Now I have these coming out of my absolute ear rolls. So many of these, but this is quite cute. It's quite small and dinky. It's got a bit of weight to it. Oh, is mine broken? Mine's broken. Let's see if I can put it back in. No, it's not. There you go. Yeah, I mean, what more can I say about it? It's quite heavy. So, ladies, that use these are great when you put your mask on, just to roll over it, because it really helps push those great stuff into your skin from your mask, and will help just to push that in a little bit. This is my least favorite thing, only because I already have these. We're always getting them in our subscription boxes, so it's not really something that I'm going to use. Did I tell you how much that was? Sorry. So that is Jade soothes the mind and body, bringing peace and tranquility to the user. The Jade facial roller reduces pores, dark circles, fine lines, and boosts circulation and collagen production. That has a retail of £16.49, and I'm sorry if the lighting's gone, but it's gone very dark outside all of a sudden. You can get this at www.melusincosmetics.com. Great. And last but not least, we now have the little palette. So this is the Air palette. It has a recommended of £20. You can get this at www.thebeautycrop.com. The rich toned palette features 12 velvety, highly pigmented shades in a range of matte, metallic and glitter formulas, inspired by the magnetas and pinks of the sky at dawn. The jojoba and coconut oil and rich shadow range from dusky peach, hoe to nudes to brilliant fuchsia glitters. Use the palette to layer shades and textures or build colour for a bold block look. So let's have a look. So it does come in a box. I've got to try and get into. I'm going to put that's open. Okay, so bubble wrapped, and this is the packaging, which is very cute. Very pretty. This has no parabens, it's talc free, it has coconut and jojoba oil, it's cruelty free, no mineral oils, and vegan, which is absolutely great. I'm hoping you're going to see this, it's really gone dark. Okay, so inside we have, oh, this thing that's stuck to it, great. And these are the colours from the palette, which are absolutely stunning. How absolutely gorgeous are they? I'm going to switch the light on because I'm not sure. Is that better, guys? Yay. So, pretty colours. Should we swatch? Should we have a swatch and see what's what? So, I mean, the names on these are like Sunrise, Horizon, Serene, Juliet, Pandora, Ariel. So I will do this one. Oh, nice. We've got a matte. Let's do this shimmer. Whoa. And this one. Guys, look at these. Look at that one. I really hope you can see and appreciate how beautiful they are. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, this is still stuck to my finger. Okay, can't get that off. Let's do a couple more. Let's do that one. I will say the mattes are, they're okay. They are stunning. The colours in these are absolutely stunning. I will actually look forward to trying these. Gorgeous. Yeah. Now, would I say it's worth 25 quid? Quite possibly, actually. I mean, I look forward to trying the palette out for sure. But they're the sort of colours that I really do enjoy and like. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Definitely looking forward to trying this out. Now, for those of you that are still watching, the first person that says to me, I want, in the comments, I will send these out for you free of charge. They're not something I'm going to use. So if you haven't got one already and you would like one, first person that comments from the UK, what did I say? Gimme or win or I want. Something that tells me that you would like these for free. And I'll send them out UK only. Okay? So if you're still watching, you might grab yourself something for free. Don't forget, if you haven't already entered the Jeffree Star giveaway, photo here, please do so. That will be closing obviously at the end of March, and I'm going to rerun the giveaway. So April will be another Jeffree Star mirror, because we had a good response to the Jeffree Star mirrors, so I've already ordered another one. I don't know when it's going to get here, folks, because like the way things are, but that will be April's giveaway. So if you don't win the Marches, enter the April. Okay, so that's about it. Please, please, please take care of yourselves. I'm sorry that I'm not posting as much videos as normal. I think when things get back to normal, I will obviously go back to doing 2 or 3 a week. But for now, please, please take care of yourselves and each other. Tell your loved ones that you love them. Take care. Bye.